Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show how to reset to factory defaults this Insignia LED TV. This is a Fire TV, and just keep in mind that this might be a different process on different Insignia LED TVs, but hopefully this gives you an idea of how this is done. One thing I would say is I would sign out of any apps and any accounts that I was logged into on the TV before I did the reset to factory defaults. I would just do that first. Okay, so I'm going to use the remote here. I'm currently on the home screen. I'm just going to go over to the settings icon. And then I'm going to press the down. And I'm going to go over to device and software. And then I'm going to select that. And then I'm just going to press down on the remote. And each time that I press down, it will go to the next option. And I'm just going to keep pressing down until I get to reset to factory defaults. And then I'm going to select this. And it gives a message here, so you want to make sure to read through this and be aware of what's happening. Cancel is currently highlighted, so I'm going to press over here to go to reset. And then when I'm ready to do this, I'm going to press the select button. So just make sure that this is something that you want to do before you do this. So I'm going to select reset. And then it's just going to go through the process here until it gets back to the screen where you go through the setup process. So this may take a while. I'm just going to speed this part of the video up. So from here, I would just choose the language that I want and then go through the rest of the setup process. So I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.